How to change date and time on iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your date and time on iPhone 14, and it also works in other models, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you'd like to change your date and time, all you have to do is, of course, first of all open up your settings application on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, I want you to simply go to this option known as general, and when you go to general over here, you will find all of these options where you have to simply go to the one where it says date and time, as you can find it here. So make sure to tap on date and time, and one of the ways that I basically recommend you do is, if you have any sort of date and time that you've added, you can just try to go ahead and make sure you're connected to the internet connection, and just make sure to turn on automatic date and time, because usually automatic date and time is going to locate your region and then give you the accurate time based on those regions. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then actually change the date and time on iPhone 14. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.